Hi everyone, Toys Academy here. We have 3 wind-up monsters by Spritz and 1 slime in jar blue monster with a surprise inside. Let's remove the tags. Let's check this orange monster first. It is rubbery and elastic. We can stretch it out. It has 2 eyes, wiggly eyes on top of the head. There's a spike in the middle of the eyes and 3 spikes on each side. It has 2 arms. Let's stretch the arms. Feet and has several sharp teeth. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 sharp teeth. Okay, let's wind up. Now we have the green monster. Look, it has a lot of eyes. Let's count the eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! It has 8 eyes. Surely it can see everything with all those eyes. And 2 fangs. One on the right and one on the left, and has 2 ears. Stretch it out, and 2 finger hands. Ooh. Okay, time to wind up. And now, for our last monster, it is colored purple. It has 3 horns, blue in color, 1, 2, 3. 1 big eyes in the middle. It has several teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 2 arms with 4 fingers each. Okay, stretch it out. to wind up. And now for our surprise! Blue Monster Slime. And our surprise is Spike from MLP. He looks so adorable. Let's put it back in the jar. Thank you guys for watching, and watch out for more videos.